4 consecutive months of consistent payout.
Good morning. It is one of those good mornings once again. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. If everybody can hear me, let me know. Am I audible? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, lovely people. Hello, once again. We are back to continue the journey. Simon, Smish. Good morning, good morning. What's this little symbol next to your name? Oh, it lets me know the first person to comment? Oh, top fans? Top fans, what's that? Yeah, you can tell I'm a noob at this. I have no idea what that means. You can tell me what that symbol by your name means. That'd be great. But good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. We are back again to continue the journey, the process, all that good stuff. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to We're gonna start in 1 second, waiting for this first 15-minute candle to clear. Nick, good morning, good morning, good morning. Love to see my usuals are here. Oh boy, what's this person about to say right here? Don't let it get to you, Andre. Andre, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. The usuals are here. The usuals are back. All right, so we got that opening range right here. So I'm gonna just put this on there and put this on there. Whoa, big little jump there. Big jump, big jump. I already know what this person's about to say. Oh boy. All right, everybody. So we got that first 15-minute pop. Got that first 15-minute pop. And I'm going to wait. London High looks like a good target. Yeah, probably. I'm still going to wait here. Let me see. Yeah, it looks nice and bullish here, guys. Nice and bullish. But my 5-minute doesn't agree yet. Yeah, 5-minute doesn't exactly agree. So yeah. Give me 2 minutes here, guys. I need to take care of some business real quick. Be right back. Don't go anywhere. Be right back. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I'll be right back in 1 second. Still doing a couple things here. Stay with me. Hello, everyone. I am back. Sorry, busy morning. Busy morning. So, what do we got here? What do we got here? We got closures above the orb high. I kind of like these longs. if we can get it. Gotta work fast here. Back into the range 2. Here we go again, 3. And we just made our 4 here. Okay, so a little distracted here at the moment, but I do think we got a little 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if some type of 5 situation happens here. Might not get it. This is a good place to buy here. Real good place to buy, but I would love it if this punches down a little bit more. A lot of things going on this morning for me. Unfortunately, I can't really focus, but I'm trying my best here, guys. Let me zoom out a little bit, make sure I'm not missing anything. Unfortunately, my 5-minute doesn't really agree with me right now, and I kind of don't like that. Yeah, my 5-minute is wildly against me here, guys. 15-minute is also, everything is against me except for the 1 minute. Tricky. Very tricky here. Is it possible? Yes. And we got a bearish engulfing here too. I don't know, guys. I might let this one go. Might be letting this one go, guys. I got some things against me here. That's fine. Because this could just come crashing right back down. If I'm wrong, I mean, obviously I'm just wrong, but I don't like the trade against my higher time frame. My higher time frame is bearish. You see this right here? That's not exactly the best sign. This could definitely just flip right back down. We'll see. We shall see. So I got a closure above the orb high, 4-5 here. Yeah, guys, that just would have been a little bit too tricky. It's playing out pretty nicely, though. Okay, yeah, guys, I missed that one. Missed that one. And the reason why was we had a 5-minute bearish engulfing. We're at the 200 and my 20 is all the way down here. Is it an impossible trade? No, obviously, because it seems to be working out right now. But would have been a little bit on the tricky side. I'm not going to lie. Not going to lie. Did anybody take something like this, though? It looked pretty decent, but my 5, once again, my 5, I don't like to trade against my 5 minute. I don't like to trade against my 5. And we got another confirmation that this could go right back down. So I think I did a good job filtering that one out. A lot of things I could have went wrong right there. A lot of things. Yeah, guys, that bearish engulfing kind of spooked me right there. Not going to lie, and boom, we are rolling. We are booming to the upside. Oh my gosh. That's a bit different. That's suspicious. Not looking for any shorts. Not at the moment. I'm kind of neutral right now. Everything seems to be screaming to the long side for right now. If we get like down here and start closing below this orb, this little line right here in this 20 SMA, I may start looking for shorts at that point. But up here, I got a confirmation that we might want to punch down a little bit lower, but it seems to have failed. Buyers just stepped right back in. Here's your, whatchamacallit, your SBS Model 1 here. And that's fine, you know. Would have been a nice move though. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Swept down here 4. Came back to tap the same area, almost to the tick. Golly. Yeah, to the tick. 5. Pushes right back up. Nice little move right there. Nice little move. Nice little move. It seems like I'm missing everything this morning. I was looking at 8 a.m. Looking for some opportunities there. I couldn't really get into nothing. And this right here, once again, that 5-minute bearish engulfing, a bearish confirmation while we're technically bearish on the SMAs here. A little dicey. I'm new here. Would you mind explaining a little bit about your trading methodology? Lorenzo, yeah, sure. So what I'm basically doing is I'm trading something called Swing Breakout Sequence by Stoic Trader. And well, there's a lot that goes into it, but basically I'm just counting swings, right? So after we break above a new high, I'm counting this how many swings we have, or a sequence. So after we break above a high, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and then we go push right back up. That's the gist of it. That's the main the gist of it in a nutshell. And yeah, Brando, that's what I suggest as well. Like if you want more information than that, I would recommend looking at Stoic's videos. It's kind of a lot to to just full on like explain on a live stream, but it's pretty simple to grasp in my opinion. So I'll get the link for Stoic's YouTube in 1 second. Why does it say error? There we go. There you go. Lorenzo, everything you need is right there of how I trade this strategy. And this would have been a nice little play here, not going to lie. That bearish engulfing really psyched me out, guys. I'm not gonna lie. We're up this high. We took this liquidity, and now we got a bullish engulfing. Looks like it's good for even higher. Damn, ain't that nothing? Yeah, we might be able to see these levels here. Yeah, guys, them's the breaks. Them's the breaks. I'm not exactly 100% today anyway, so this would have been a nice little move right there. Nice little move. Yeah, guys. That was a tough one, but one that's playing out. I should have just did a C trade, take trade, to be honest with you. That's what I should have done. But hey, I think I followed my rules there. I saw something I didn't like. I didn't like this candle right here. Come up, push way back down. This isn't agreeing with me. I think I did the right thing there. I think I did the right thing. Alright guys, so still jabbing with the market here. Let's see if we get another opportunity. Let's see if we can get another one here. So I'm liking this a little bit. So let's try and drag this fib down here. Here's your swing point. If it wants to start to retrace from right here. 1, 2, 3. 1. 2. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I'm tripping. 1, 2, 3. Alrighty, chat. Let's see what we can do here in the 30-second. This one might be kind of fast too. Or are we just going to staircase up? That's also a thing. Ah, that was a beauty. Interesting day today. Interesting day. Interesting day. Interesting day. Yeah, we're still punching higher. Yeah, look at that bullish engulfing right there. Really strong, really strong, really strong, really strong. I got faked out by the noise there. Yep. Alright guys, I'm gonna lean back for a second because I am a little upset that this played out so well after giving me a confirmation that it might not do so well. Once again, I still think I followed my rules there by not taking it. But still, man, it's like, damn. It's working out like monstrously. Like, holy shit, you didn't take that? Like... Yeah, them's are the breaks, I guess. Them's are the breaks. Well, guys. Hey, it happens. 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 Ooh wee. Well. Oh boy. Well, guys, this is running. This is absolutely running. This is absolutely running now. Oh man, if this candle just didn't close bigger than the previous candle, man, would have been a one and done type of situation, but not really. Couldn't get it. All good. Couldn't get it. Couldn't get it. Now bulls are bulling all the way up to what seems to be this level up here at 782. Now I can't just join long up here. That's not a thing. Did anything else agree with me? No. No, it didn't. Took that low. This is probably like an hourly SBS situation going on right here, probably. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap back down here, and then it's going right back up. So we're probably good for a lot higher. A lot higher. Hey. Thems are the breaks. Does kind of suck though. Sucks to suck. Yeah, I don't see any other opportunities to get into these longs here, guys. At least not at the moment. So we'll wait. We shall wait, see if there's another bus to pick us up. But to be honest with you, it's not looking like it. It's really not looking like it. Yeah, this looks so strong, guys. Looking very strong, looking very strong, looking very strong. And I don't see nothing to kind of like stop it either. We got all this right here. It wants to probably tag. Yeah, that's gonna get tagged for sure. Well, not for sure, but this is probably what the market is looking to come and sweep. Damn. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we just sped up right here, actually. Just to kill my hopes and dreams. Just to kill my hopes and dreams. Andre, yes it is. Very chill today. Bunch of opportunities in this market. There was market ever. I mean, there was opportunity ever since I woke up this morning. I was like, wow. Yeah, Andre, it's looking like it. I'm almost thinking the same. Like, 'cause this is kind of frustrating. This is kind of frustrating. You know, you see it right here, you see it down here, but you see one thing you don't like that keeps you from getting in the trade. So, you know, that's always not fun. But who knows? Maybe we get a retracement here. Maybe another bus can come and pick us up here. But we gotta remember we are really high in price action right now. Eh. What I don't understand, tomorrow is a trade day, but Friday, I guess not. Yeah, I think the market should be closed Friday. And if it's not closed, I definitely won't be trading. There's no point. Enjoy the holiday. One, two, three. Yeah, I mean, I see all this that needs to get swept too. I don't want to really drag my fibs all that low. Maybe has potential. Has potential. Has potential. Let's see if we can catch some type of pullback here. Or if this wants to just keep booling up. Yeah, like we're very high up here. A lot of levels that may need to be swept as well. And that all of a sudden makes this a more dangerous trade than the bearish engulfing one down here, all of a sudden. So we'll see. Let's see what price wants to do. Price getting a little sticky right here. Price getting a little bit sticky. I agree, Brando. Yeah, Pepe Thug Life has a really good free Discord. Chat, collaborate, all that good stuff. If you haven't joined, then join. Alright, guys, I'm not gonna lie. The price is starting to get on my nerves a little bit. Well, not that it's getting on my nerves. Like, if I was down here, I'd be excited, but I'm not down here. I'm trying to find a pullback at this point, so. Which always sucks. You know, you always want to get like the main trade and not the hand-me-down trade, in my opinion. This kind of feels like a hand-me-down trade. You know, we're doing all this consolidation. Price could just want to just do all this right here and then start to make its way back up. Something I don't really want to be a part of. Sucks to suck. We are really pushing this thing up. New high right there. And we're starting to slow down. Starting to slow down a little bit. Temu trade. Yeah. Yeah, a little Temu trade. What they call it? 2B trade. Guys, if we take this high, I might just end the stream. Because that's just ridiculous. Give me all the confirmation in the world to that maybe this was not a good trade. And then it turns out to be the trade of the goddamn day. Yeah, I don't really see nothing stopping it right now, guys. I really don't. And I think this may just swoop. Give us a little swap. Pop to the upside. This doesn't want to retrace, but I can't long right here. Yeah, I can't take a long right here. Definitely cannot take a long right here. Temu trade. And I hate doing this too. I hate dragging my fib. I don't like doing that. Yep, I don't think there's nothing stopping it, guys. I think she left without us. That's the market. That's the market. Scared money don't make money, I suppose. But man, to get psyched out from an engulfing candle is crazy. Excellent day to be a trader, though. Excellent day to be a trader. And there it is. Oh, come on. Yep, there's your high, as predicted. Yep, left without me. Completely left without me. That's sickening. Ugh. Wow, guys. Oof. Wow, guys. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, so now what? So now the question is, now what? That's the real question. That's the real question. I let one thing let it just stop me just like this. No retracement. Wow. It didn't help that the 5 minute was like all the way down here at the time too. I had literally nothing else to kind of help me out with that. Hades 199, how's it going? How's it going? Hope you're having an awesome day. I'm not. I had to watch as the market gave me a perfect entry and then skyrockets up for the last half hour. Literally no retracements. But hey. That's how it goes sometimes. Left without me. Painful. Very painful. This was the move. This was the move of the day. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. I don't even know what would you have done here? Stop at this low. Like a 1 to 5, 1 to 6, something like that. If he was real cheeky, you could have got up here. Tighten it up a little bit. Now you're just now it's just a goddamn party. Oh boy. And I got everybody pinging me at work. Like I swear. Boo boo boo. Yeah, literally everything after this is definitely going to be a hand-me-down trade. And not a good one. And not a good one, not a good one, not a good one, not a good one. Yeah, I gotta get better at C setup, take setup. C setup, take setup. My word. Well, how's everybody else doing? Anybody else take these longs to the upside? Anybody catch those? I didn't. Unfortunately. I know some of you freaks out there probably caught something. I wanted to play all conservatively and whatnot. Wow. I just don't have the words. Don't have the words. Yeah, we just haven't had any sweeps of any significance. Yeah, we haven't really had any real sweeps. Any 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. Got the direction right though. One thing though, one little thing can stop you. And we're still not retracing. Everything is getting bought up. Every single thing is getting bought up. Yeah, you could see some shorts at these levels though. You could see some shorts at these levels. Yep, one of those grind up higher days. One of those grind up higher days. Oof, engulfing on the hourly. It just spits, just throws up all of this price action. Yep. Pretty easy day. Pretty easy day if you had it right. The only thing that separated you from the win was pressing the button. Yeah, personally, I think you'll be a fool to try and short these levels, but man, what a day. What a day. Still not getting any retracements. Not that you would want to even see it at these levels right here. If you saw retracement at this level, it's like we could just be going all the way back down. How unfortunate. Yeah. Ooh, this was nice right here. Every pullback getting bought. Probably get bought up right here too. Yeah, once again, the only thing about it is we're just at these levels where, you know, we could really push on down. Man, look at this target right here. Absolutely beautiful. Yep. Little minor pullback, another buying opportunity. Well, not for us, but you know, people in the market just seeing like, hey, just buy it. Yeah, everybody's just brain off, buy it. Brain off, buy it real quick, get a pop. Zombie style rally, caveman buy. It went down a little bit, buy it. I try not to get caught up in those, but it seems like it's working. Don't want to play shorts, honestly. Yeah, like what what even is this? Golly, guys. You want to talk about all gas, no brakes? Look at this. It's not even testing like a proper trend line. We're just booling to the upside. Jesus. All right, guys. I'll be honest. I'm not too sure what to do right now. I think we've done our thing for the New York AM session. So I'm just here chilling. See if I can squeeze a little bit of opportunity out of these markets. I guess this is like one of the flaws. You just, you wait for a pullback and you get one pullback. You get one chance at a pullback and that's it. Yeah, it's like it's either you're in or you're out. That's crazy how this 1 5-minute candle really, like, look at that. Oh, it's low probability, the 5-minute candle. And then it and then it does one of those. That's crazy. Wouldn't be surprised if we do something dumb and just make another high. I mean, why not, right? Why not? Like it's nothing, guys. It's no bullish engulfing to get back in. No nothing. Just straight up. straight up. Straight up. Little wiggle there. And this is the puke that I was talking about that I didn't want to be a part of. Don't know what the market wants to do right here. Big puke right here. And the question is, like, what do you do? Big, almost algorithmic throw up right here. This is just going to be too hard. Could it go back up? I mean, perhaps. But how much lower does it want to retrace is the real question. I like this one. Hand-me-down trade here, guys. 2. Hand-me-down trade. 3s. We are at an area where we could buy, though. A lot of sweeping that needs to happen, though. A lot of sweeping to the lower side. One, 2, 3. Let's see if this can give us one more punch lower. This is the market saying, hey, I gave you a pullback. The market saying, hey, we pulled back. Why are you not in? I gave you what you wanted. I gave you what you wanted. You finally got it. And you still didn't execute. Gonna remain patient here, guys. I'm not gonna FOMO into anything, at least not at this point. Closing above the 20, might be gone again. Boy. Yes, Simon. It's one of those days. It's one of those days, so I don't really blame you. Did Trump tweet something? Yeah, Trump tweet. Wow. All right. Well. Yeah, guys, I don't know what to say at this point. I don't know what to say. Gotta pull back. Gotta pull back. Didn't get in though. Pullback was kind of violent. Guys, I might be wrapping it up. I might come back in the afternoon or something, but yeah, the market's kind of playing with me right now. Like, because that's just nuts, right? That is just insane. No 5 leg? Oh, market. Market. Come on, market. No. Market. That's crazy, market. That's crazy. Closing golfing right here. Yup. I like the engulfing candle. Probably push up even more. I mean, good grief. Just smacking levels today. Yeah, Simon, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. This market pissed me off too. This market pissed me off. Somebody else's dream, but not mine. This is absolutely insane. Wow. Gotta pull back to 618. Still couldn't get it. That's just unfortunate. Man, buyers came in and bought this sucker. Buyers came in and bought. 5-minute engulfing. New high. See a 5-minute SBS setting up, but unfortunately, that's kind of going against my long thesis right now. Alrighty, guys. Well, let's see what we do here. For sweep. Oh, didn't drag my fib all the way up. That's fine. I guess it's kind of my fault for just waiting for like the most perfect thing of all time. This doesn't look terrible. See if we want to keep on punching up here. Just stump my toe. Hate it when that happens. Kind of far away from the 200 here. Yeah, I think what it is, I think I'm afraid of some disastrous pullback that could wreck my day. And 1, 2, 3. Doesn't look too bad though. Love it if we start getting some sweeps. I mean, start punching down to this 618 level. That'll be kind of cool. Now the question is, do the buyers still want to stay here? Not exactly at 618 though. Yeah, not exactly at 618. Trying not to get faked out here. Kinda liking it. Not punching down to the best level though. Question is, are the bulls exhausted here? Okay.
Order filled.
Let me give it a shot. Minimal risk. See if we want to punch one up. Not the reaction I was looking for. Every other pullback got bought. Why not this one? Kinda not looking enthusiastic like I wanted it to. Alright, I'm gonna close that and see if I can get a re-entry. See if I get a re-entry a little bit lower. I'm not in love with that move right there. Yeah, just wasn't in love with that one. And of course, oh, come on. Insane. Insanity, insanity, insanity. mean, it'll be hard to track from right here. I got scared by the pullback. Incredible. Incredible. I still found a way to lose, guys. After all that, I still find a way to lose. Like how? How do I find a way to lose after all that? How do you find a way to lose after all of that? How do you lose? How did you lose? Andre, after all that, you still found a way to fucking lose. Incredible. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I think I'm on tilt. Because how did I lose that? How do you find a way to lose that? How do you find a way to lose that? Just doesn't make any sense. pushing right back up. And I missed this typing at work. Lordy. Not the best day for me, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Not the best day for me. Every distraction, distractions come up, and it keeps you from doing something that you want to do. And I mean, I don't know, man. I mean, that's just disheartening. That's really disheartening. Man, don't push this on me, man. I don't know. Guys, I found a way to lose. I don't have any words. I don't have any words right now. I don't have any words. I mean, you could try and long from right here. I don't know, like every... All right, mighty retracement right here. Are we finally done? That's the real question. Are we done? 1, 2, 3. All right, got a test of the whatever you want to call this. Tested a 20 there. Looking below on the 30-second though. Not sure. Hey, Cup Gut, how's it going? How's it going? Oh, I'm just watching the market move without me and FOMO'd into a trade, and somehow I lost on a perfect SBS. It's a lot going on today. It's a lot going on, but I'm thinking about taking this long right here. Thinking about it. All right.
Order filled.
See if we can make a new high of day here. Or not? Okay, am I too early on this? Is that what the market is telling me?
Order filled.
Okay, guys, I think I might be on tilt. This is ridiculous. Still kind of believe in this 4-5 thing here, but wow. Let me give this one more shot. And 1, 2, 3. Oh man, somehow found the top. Then you mapped out. I'm thinking so as well. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I called the top, guys. Called the top. Yeah. I mean, come on. I called the top once again. Don't know how I keep doing this, but I did it. Yeah, bulls seem to be losing interest. Guys. Kind of like that jump right there.
Order
So I'm
filled.
gonna give it a shot. Let's see if we want to push right back on up. Add a little bit more if it starts to look a little bit better. And it doesn't. All right, I'm gonna have my stops right here now. We are rejecting this for some reason. All right. Let's see how far this wants to go. It's not looking the best though. It's not looking the best. Kind of want to add into the position, but I've already FOMO'd into some other trades, so I'm gonna just leave this as is. And watch, this will be the one that kind of like comes right back down instead of making the new high that I wanted to. Can we get an explosion up here? That'd be like perfect. I'm gonna add into that. God damn it. Well, guys, it happened again. Looks like it's happening again. Old Dre Futures is on tilt. Doing dumb stuff once again. When will he learn? Oh, it's a bearish and go. Come on, dog. Come on. It's not gonna. This is probably gonna flip back down. It's struggling. Of course, I'm in the area where it can struggle, right? Yep. What a loser. What a loser. Unless this can like make these new highs right here, guys. I don't know. This is it's looking pretty bad for this one. It's incredible, isn't it? An old boy finds some way to lose after all of that. Never fails. We could push up here, maybe, but I don't have too much confidence in this anymore. But I'm still in it for some reason. Yeah, that looks so bad. That looks so bad, guys. Another crash out day incoming. Make some, give it back. Make some, give it back. Make some, give it back. Be disciplined, give it back. Be disciplined, give it back. Over and over and over and over and over and over and over again.
Order filled.